Well, of course, if sources are not available, Hajj is not farz on you, and yet I understand the question. I believe it's regarding the desire to visit the Haramain Sharifain, and that is a desire of perhaps every Muslim at least once in their lifetime. First of all, like in all matters, make dua. Ask Allah for this. Plead with Him to give you the opportunity, the resources to perform the Hajj, to visit His holy house, His holy city, and the holy city of His Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. One advice I would give is, no matter how small, do make a small account. Start collecting some money. No matter how small, start your own account and ask Allah to give you barakah in that, to give you blessing in that. So perhaps one day that small amount might become a big one and give you the opportunity to perform the Hajj of Baitullah. May Allah make the Hajj easy for you and make Allah accept this Hajj from you.